Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Enable required permissions for camera, mic, and storage so the AI can access inputs. Once done, install Samsung AI or Google Gemini and sign in. Make sure the app has model download permission. Plug in power or charge above 50%, connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and turn on high performance mode. This reduces latency and avoids throttling, so you can begin generating images, text, or voice responses immediately without interruptions. You now feed the AI, capture a clear photo with the Pro camera or import a screenshot, and set resolution to 12MP or higher for detailed outputs. Then type a prompt that includes context, desired style, and length. Be explicit about tone and constraints so the model knows your intent. After that, tweak model settings. Slide creativity toward novelty or accuracy for literal answers. Pick response length, image resolution, and privacy flags. This middle step balances quality, speed, and safety for the result. You finish by evaluating the generated output and refining it. Use edit tools, ask for a variation, or regenerate until the tone and detail match your goal. Once satisfied, export to PNG, MP4, or TXT, then save locally or to your preferred cloud. Make sure to tag or organize files for later retrieval. If something breaks, clear the app cache, update the model or app, and simplify the prompt. This resolves most errors caused by corrupted cache, outdated models, or overly complex instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.